Hello! Today we're going to solve a problem about factoring a difference of squares. First of all, we have to remember that factorization is a process where we write a mathematical statement as the product of several factors. Okay, start, we're going to take a look at our problem, and we can see here that the first three elements of this mathematical expression are a perfect square trinomial, so we can group these three. All of this in parentheses is one same factor here, minus g to the fourth power. Okay, we're going to write all of this expression in the form of this product to the square. We're going to do it this way. That would be x minus 3, all of this squared. As I told you before, we can see here that this is a perfect square trinomial. Now we have to write this mathematical expression as a difference of squares. We're going to do it this way. Squared plus. Notice here that it's now squared. All this times. And now it changes sign. Here was plus, here it's minus. Y to the second power squared. And now we just have to simplify this statement. Okay, here we have squared, so it's all this squared times minus y squared. So, this right here would be our final answer. This would be that factorization of what originally was this statement. This is the final answer. Thanks for watching. Hope it was helpful.